Mania presents the StarTech.com USB HDMI KVM Extender, an IT-grade solution that transmits uncompressed 1080p video, keyboard, and mouse signals up to 330 feet over standard CAT5e or CAT6 cable. This SV565UTPHDU model eliminates distance limitations, letting you place computers in secure, climate-controlled server rooms while operators work comfortably in separate offices, control rooms, or studio environments without sacrificing video quality or responsiveness. Built for professional installations, this extender delivers uncompressed high-definition video at 1920 by 1080 resolution with zero latency, ensuring smooth mouse movements and crisp text rendering that IT technicians and broadcast engineers demand for critical tasks. The integrated USB 2.0 support enables keyboard, mouse, and peripheral connectivity at the remote location, while audio pass-through delivers sound to the operator station without additional cables or converters. The transmitter connects directly to computer's HDMI output and USB ports, while the receiver sits at the user station, creating a seamless extension that behaves identically to a local connection. The robust design withstands continuous operation in demanding data center environments, and the compact chassis mounts discreetly behind displays or inside equipment racks. Power over CAT5 technology simplifies installation by delivering power through the same cable that carries video and data, reducing cable runs and eliminating the need for power outlets at the transmitter side. Whether you're securing servers in locked closets, creating operator stations on factory floors, or designing broadcast control rooms, the StarTech.com KVM Extender delivers professional-grade extension with consumer-friendly installation that takes minutes using standard Ethernet cable. The plug-and-play setup requires no software drivers or complex configuration, making it ideal for rapid deployments and IT teams managing multiple locations. This extender turns distance limitations into flexible workspace design, providing connectivity and reliability that modern facilities demand without expensive fiber infrastructure or specialized cabling.